from Adams Memorial Library. I'm Miss Andrea, and today I will be showing you how to make this no-sew snow friend. Be sure to pick up your kit at curbside. And I'm going to start by showing you the items that you will need today. They will all be in your kit, but you will need some stuffing, 2 socks. You should have a white sock and then a colored sock, a Sharpie, some buttons, and a little pom-pom for your nose, a piece of ribbon, scissors, and glue, and then you'll get 2 little clear rubber bands that look just like this. All right, so let's get started. To make our little no-sew snow friend today, the first thing you want to start with is the white sock that is in your kit, and then you should also have a bag of stuffing in there as well. And to start, you simply just want to stuff your sock with the stuffing. And then you want to make sure while you're stuffing the sock that you pack it in there pretty tightly. Even if you have to press down a little, just like this. And then you're pretty much going to use all of your stuffing that's in your bag to stuff your sock. So once it's completely stuffed, it should look nice and fluffy, just like this. Okay. Then the next thing you want to do is pull out your 2 little clear rubber bands. And then you want to place the first one over the top of the sock, just like this. And you kind of want to work it down the sock body till you're about maybe a little over halfway. Now on your sock, you should have some lines that start here. I have mine marked, but I want to put it just a little less than halfway. So that way it forms the body part at the top, or excuse me, the body part at the bottom, and then your head at the top. Okay? And then after you have that one in position, you want to take your other clear little rubber band, and you want to place this one around the top to close up your stock. Make sure that none of the stuffing comes out. You might need to wrap this one once or twice around to get it nice and sturdy. Okay? So then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just cut my hat. So I'm going to place that to the side for now. And I want to take, I have this black sock here, but in your kit, you'll have a colored sock that you can use. And all I want to do is probably go starting from the bottom of your sock, maybe about a little less than a halfway up the sock. You want to cut it off just like this. Okay, and then this will make your hat when you're ready to put it on your snowman. Okay. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add my face and add my buttons. You can see my nice little warm scarf here. So for this part, I'm just going to use my tacky glue and a Sharpie, or if you have a black marker at home. So, now this glue was working on me earlier, so let's hope it stays with me. Perfect. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and glue on my buttons on my body. I have 3 buttons here. Just with a little dab of glue. Spacing my little dots of glue here to how far or where I want my buttons placed. Now, this glue will stick really well with your buttons and your scarf here. You just may have to give it some time to set to dry. All right. The next thing that I'm going to do then is I'm going to go ahead and draw my little mouth and my eyes. Just a second. Basically, all you have to do here is just make little circles. Kind of form one big half circle, semicircle. Just like that. And put 2 here at the top. There's my mouth. There's the eyes. Okay. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is actually, before I glue on my nose, I'm going to go ahead and glue on my scarf. So really there's 2 ways that you can do this. If it's easier, you can put the glue on the scarf or you can place it right on the sock. I think it's easier to put the glue on your ribbon here for your scarf. Then let's hope your glue will come out a little easier than mine here, but here we go, it's coming. Okay. And then I'm just simply going to scarf just like this. Then lay my snowman down right on top of it. And if you notice when I'm placing it, I just like that to make a little cross. And again, this glue will stick very nicely for you. You just have to give it a few moments there, a few minutes to dry. Okay. And now next I'm going to do my nose. So if you have that little pom-pom in your kit, just like you did with the buttons, I'm just going to put a little dab of glue kind of right in the center of my face here. Stick my nose just like that. Now the last piece is putting on your hat. So you should have already cut off that bottom part of your sock to make your hat. Now I cut mine down a little, so I don't necessarily have like the little rim from the sock. If you find that it's really hard to get your hat placed over your snowman, you can always cut this just a little just to make it just right so that the hat will fit on. But all you basically want to do then is take that piece of your colored sock, kind of work it right over the top so it covers up the little thing there. And you can either lay it flat, or if you want to roll it a little to make it look a little bit more like a top hat, you can. And there you go. Now you have one of our no-sew snow friends. Thanks for joining us and making our little snow friends. Be sure to post pictures or send your pictures of your snow friend to kids@adamslib.org, and also be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Happy crafting!